Korea's high-speed railway, recognized by the world. However, some parts and devices still rely on overseas imports. Development of localization technology for high-speed railway components. To improve Korea's technology of high-speed railway parts, the localization of active balancer, flexible brake pad, brake shoe, and driving gear unit have been developed since July 2018. 16 research institutes, including KORAIL, Hyundai Rotem, KTL, NTech Electric and Electronic, Chaeryong Electric, Dawin Friction, Hongsung Brake, and Yujin Machinery participated in this technology development project. Railway substations in Korea receive electric power from three-phase alternating currents. The electricity is separated into two single phases in the Scott transformer, and each is supplied in different directions. Since each of the two single phases has a different value, they cannot be connected and used, so an insulated section is essential. In the case that electric power from only one single phase fully covers railway trains, a severe voltage imbalance arises in the three-phase side. This imbalance affects the lifespan of electric power facilities. The localized active balancer solves this problem perfectly. The multi-winded transformer, which comprises an active balancer, converts the high voltage properly for the voltage of the single-phase inverter, and it transforms the phase value in real time through the back-to-back inverter system and provides stable power to M and T phases respectively. It improves the imbalance of three-phase power by drawing power from feeder lines with low loads and supplying it to feeder lines with high loads. It monitors harmonics in real time to reduce them actively and helps to recycle the regenerative power from railway vehicles up to 50%. We also designed the balancer properly so it can be installed in a small space. The active balancer is an excellent product that meets international standards. It will contribute to the extension of the lifespan of power facilities and the improvement of power quality. Flexible brake pads and brake shoes that have a decisive effect on the driving safety of railway vehicles are all consumable parts and are entirely from overseas imports. Localized brake pads satisfy the frictional force required for braking, optimal coefficient of friction and wear amount, and minimize the aggression of the brake disc. It meets the conditions of the emergency braking distance at 300 kilometers per hour of high-speed railway vehicles, and a cylindrical friction material made of metal-based sinter combined with the back plate. The elastic body under the friction material maintains uniform contact with the brake disc to strengthen the braking force and extend the life of the brake disc. It has sufficient stiffness and flexibility for braking, and it has been improved to facilitate maintenance by combining the backplate and dovetail in a non-welded way. The localized brake shoes are optimized for Korea's high-speed railway environment. The soft ceramic fiber material is added to binding material, reinforcing material and friction modifier to increase thermal conductivity so that the shoes can be used at high temperatures of up to 600 degrees Celsius. It shows excellent braking force in high-speed railway operating environments. When braking is started, the brake shoe presses the wheel and the pyrolysate generated by frictional heat during the compression process condenses on the surface of the wheel to form a film. When the resulting film and the abrasive components are combined and cut, The pyrolysate forms the film repeatedly. It provides a stable braking force, and at the same time, the film protects the surface of the wheel, which is the friction-facing surface. This extends the life cycle of the wheel and enables safe driving. Although the driving gear unit of high-speed railway vehicles is a core part that is powered by a gear coupling connected to the motor and transmits power to the wheels by decelerating the speed with gear, it relies entirely on overseas imports due to the lack of Korea's technology. The localized driving gear unit is optimized for Korea's high-speed railway vehicles. We have developed an aluminum lightweight gear case designed with a labyrinth structure to prevent low noise and oil leakage, a high durability gear with low noise and low vibration, and a bearing dedicated to the driving gear unit. In addition, we have localized and developed major components up to the reaction rod, which has secured vibration reduction performance and safety through an optimal design. We have made sure to possess the technological competitiveness of the driving gear unit by verifying its performance and safety, and we will respond to the demand by supplying it quickly and seamlessly through a supply chain in Korea. The goal of this R&D project was to develop a product optimized for Korea's environment by actively reflecting the requirements of the customer. As a result, Korea's high-speed rail technology has been enhanced further. Co-prosperity of KORAIL and small and medium-sized railway companies. From technology independence to export competitiveness, we will lead a new leap forward in the Korean railway industry.